The living cube is a modern furniture concept that's gained popularity for its multifunctional design. It's essentially a piece of furniture that combines several elements into one unit, often incorporating a bed, storage, shelving, and sometimes even a workspace or entertainment center. The idea behind it is to maximize space in smaller living areas, like studio apartments or tiny houses, by providing various functionalities within a single piece of furniture. Living cubes are customizable and can be tailored to fit specific needs and space requirements. They often feature built-in storage compartments, shelves, drawers, and sometimes a lofted bed platform above the storage area, effectively utilizing vertical space. Some designs even incorporate a desk or entertainment system, making it a versatile all-in-one solution for smaller living spaces. These pieces are popular among those looking for both functionality and aesthetics in their furniture, as they can be customized to match personal styles and interior designs while serving multiple purposes within a limited space. Slumber shelves. Hidden bed or wall bed is a space-saving furniture solution that combines shelving with a hidden bed mechanism. It's designed to optimize space in rooms where square footage is limited, providing a practical way to integrate both storage and sleeping functionality into a single unit. The primary feature is the bed that remains concealed within a shelving unit or wall until needed. This bed can be folded or lowered out of the shelving structure when it's time to sleep, and then easily folded back up into the shelving during the day. When the bed is tucked away, the unit serves as functional shelving or storage space. This dual-purpose design maximizes the utility of the furniture piece, offering a place to store books, decor, or other items while the bed is not in use. It's an ideal solution for smaller living spaces like studio apartments, guest rooms, or multi-purpose rooms where maximizing space is crucial. By integrating both a bed and shelving storage, it minimizes the need for separate pieces of furniture, saving valuable floor space. Slumber shelves. Hidden beds typically come in various designs, finishes, and sizes to suit different room aesthetics and spatial requirements. Some designs might include additional features like built-in lighting, customizable shelving configurations, or integrated desks. The mechanism for lowering or folding the bed is generally designed to be user-friendly and easy to operate. This allows for a smooth transition between using the shelving and accessing the bed. The Parasot Space-Up Bed is a highly innovative and practical furniture piece designed to maximize space in bedrooms, particularly in smaller living areas where storage can be a challenge. It's an all-in-one solution that combines a comfortable bed with a significant storage area underneath. One of its standout features is the hydraulic mechanism that effortlessly lifts the bed platform, providing access to a spacious storage compartment beneath the mattress. This hydraulic system makes it easy to lift a bed without requiring excessive physical effort. The storage space underneath the bed is considerable, allowing for the storage of various items such as clothing, bedding, shoes, books, or any other belongings. This effectively utilizes the often underutilized space under the bed. The Space-Up Bed comes in different sizes and styles, offering customization options to suit various room sizes and interior design preferences. Parasot is known for its focus on quality and durability in furniture. The Space-Up Bed is designed with sturdy materials to ensure its longevity and functionality. The Collie Duo Sofa is a multifunctional furniture piece that combines a sofa with a hidden wall bed or folding bed mechanism. It's designed to offer both seating and sleeping accommodations in one compact unit, making it an ideal choice for small apartments, guest rooms, or multi-purpose spaces where optimizing space is essential. The standout feature of the Collie Duo Sofa is its concealed wall bed system. When not in use, the bed is hidden behind the sofa, tucked away against the wall. This allows the unit to function primarily as a comfortable seating area during the day. The space-saving aspect is crucial. By combining a sofa with a hidden bed, it eliminates the need for separate pieces of furniture. The Ori Pocket Closet is a cutting-edge furniture system designed to optimize space in smaller living environments. It's a robotic furniture solution that transforms a compact unit into multiple functional spaces, combining a closet, a bed, a workspace, and storage within a single piece of furniture. The centerpiece of the Ori system is its transformative capabilities. It can change its configuration with the touch of a button or through a mobile app, For example, the unit can expand or retract, revealing different components such as a bed, a closet, a desk, or additional storage spaces. Ori systems are designed specifically for compact living spaces such as studio apartments or small urban dwellings where space is at a premium. By combining multiple functionalities in one unit, it maximizes the use of available space. The Ori Pocket Closet utilizes robotic technology and smart engineering to enable smooth and effortless transformations. It's equipped with sensors and motors that allow for automated movement and adjustments, providing a seamless user experience. Users can customize the Ori system based on their needs and preferences. For instance, it can transform into a sleeping area at night and convert into a workspace or a larger living area. During the day, the system often comes with smart features, including mobile lab control or integration with smart home systems, allowing users to control and customize the furniture's configuration remotely. Ori systems are crafted with attention to quality materials and modern design aesthetics. They aim to provide both functionality and an elegant look that fits various interior styles. The Ori Pocket Closet represents an innovative approach to multifunctional furniture, offering a dynamic and space-saving solution for urban living. Its ability to transform and adapt to different needs throughout the day makes it an appealing choice for those looking to maximize space without compromising on comfort or functionality.